Don't miss out. The revolutionary Galaxy S25 Ultra with satellite messaging is here. Samsung announced its new Ultra phone at Unpacked 2025 earlier this week, and it's looking like a decent upgrade over the previous models. If you're rocking the Galaxy S22 Ultra from 2022 and want to upgrade to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you're in for a treat. There are lots of improvements to look forward to, but also one potential downgrade, depending on where you stand regarding the S Pen. The frame is flat and the corners are more rounded, making it more comfortable to hold. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is thinner at 8.2mm versus 8.9mm if you prefer a lighter device. The Galaxy S25 Ultra sheds a few grams. It weighs 218 grams, down from 228 grams. Galaxy S25 Ultra versus S22 Ultra. More power and memory. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which is vastly superior to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip used by the S22 Ultra. The new Qualcomm chip has a huge vapor chamber that should help all that extra performance. Samsung's 2025 flagship has 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM minimum. The Galaxy S22 Ultra started at 128GB plus 8GB, while the S22 Ultra has UFS 3.1 storage. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts UFS 4.0. Galaxy S25 Ultra versus S22 Ultra. A superior camera experience. Samsung's newer Galaxy S25 Ultra is equipped with a 200MP primary camera, whereas the S22 Ultra uses a 108MP primary module. The new model boasts a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. The S22 Ultra has a 10MP 10x sensor in the ultra-wide camera department. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a 50MP sensor, up from 12MP. The Galaxy S25 Ultra camera supports HDR10+ and log video recording, the latter of which is ideal for video editors. Samsung's new flagship takes advantage of the latest camera software processing techniques and delivers better results. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's new Provisual engine uses multi-frame capture and merge to improve dynamic. The new double analysis noise removal engine makes photos look better with less noise. Galaxy S25 Ultra versus S22 Ultra. Improved connectivity. Wi-Fi 7 is available for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, whereas the Galaxy S22 Ultra tops out at Wi-Fi 6E. The Galaxy S25 Ultra supports Bluetooth 5.4, up from the S22 Ultra's Bluetooth 5.2 version. Samsung's new Galaxy S25 Ultra is the first with Qualcomm-powered satellite messaging capabilities. The S22 Ultra lacks this clever feature. Galaxy S25 Ultra versus S22 Ultra. 1. UI and software support. One day you will probably subscribe to this channel, and subscribe now. By the way, I opened a new Telegram channel that talks about crypto and airdrop. Let's join. One UI 7 is available on the Galaxy S25 Ultra from day one. Galaxy S22 Ultra users will have to wait for the update to eventually drop. When it does, it may not be as complete or optimized as One UI 7 on the S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra offers the latest and most complete Galaxy AI suite and advanced features like audio eraser for video recordings, now brief, now bar with live Google Sports feed, and more. Samsung will offer 7 OS upgrades for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. On the other hand, the S22 Ultra offers support for only for total and already received 2. Galaxy S25 Ultra versus S22 Ultra. Other quality of life improvements. Samsung's new flagship offers faster to 5W wireless charging, up from 15W. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is compatible with new Qi accessories and Samsung's new 3-in-1 wireless charger. You'll get much better audio from the Galaxy S25 Ultra's onboard speakers. Galaxy S25 Ultra versus S22 Ultra. The S Pen downgrade. Although the Galaxy S25 Ultra is massively upgraded over the S22 Ultra, the new S Pen lacks Bluetooth capabilities. Without Bluetooth, the S25 Ultra S Pen doesn't support Air actions. All in all, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a vastly superior phone to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but does miss out on a couple of S Pen features that were based on Bluetooth. If you want to upgrade from the 2022 model, Samsung values the Galaxy S22 Ultra at $600. When you trade it in for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, This means you can technically buy the new Ultra flagship for $699. Hit the pre-order button after our Galaxy S25 Ultra video.